Welcome back to KrisinfoTV Kitchen. Today we're making a fresh, colorful, and incredibly delicious Mexican shrimp cocktail. It's light, refreshing, packed with juicy shrimp, creamy avocado, crisp vegetables, and a zesty tomato. Welcome back to KrisinfoTV Kitchen. Today we're making a fresh and delicious Mexican shrimp cocktail that's bursting with flavor. We'll start with cooked shrimp, ripe avocado, fresh tomatoes, crisp cucumber, red onion, cilantro, and fresh lime. Next, gently fold in the shrimp, tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, cilantro, and avocado. Mix carefully so the avocado stays nice and chunky. For the best flavor, let the shrimp cocktail chill in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. This gives all the fresh ingredients time to absorb the tangy, zesty sauce. Now let's make the signature cocktail sauce. In a large bowl, combine tomato juice, ketchup, fresh lime juice, a few dashes of hot sauce, and if you like, a splash of clamato juice. Season with salt and black pepper, then whisk everything together until the sauce is smooth and well blended. Finally, serve in a large glass bowl or individual serving glasses. Garnish with fresh cilantro, lime wedges, and enjoy with crunchy tortilla chips. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it with someone who loves seafood, and subscribe to KrisinfoTV Kitchen for more easy, delicious recipes every week. What's your favorite ingredient in a shrimp cocktail? Avocado, shrimp, or that tangy tomato lime sauce? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!
KrisinfoTV, we shine.